So today we're going to be learning how to make gift boxes. First of all, we take our plain paper and our pencil. We are going to design what we want to create before we cut it onto our straw board. We design it and cut it there. So today we're going to make a box that will be like this. Okay. This is the cover, and this will be the base. So this is how you design it, the concept, get the concept. I want to make a box that the base is going to be 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. This is the base, so we can see the interior. This is the height. I want the height to be 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Now let's go to the cover. This is the base. Let's look at the cover. I want the cover to have a height of 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters here also, and 3 centimeters here. So we are looking at something that is a complete cuboid, the same height. The cover's height is going to be shorter than the height of the base because it's going to cover it. And so when you cover it, you have 2 centimeters allowance showing. You can also make boxes that can cover completely. But for our class today, we are going to be making a box that has an allowance that you'll be able to see and show the colors. Now for the width and length of the cover, we see that for the base, the width and the length is the same, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. It's going to also reflect on the cover. But for the cover, you're going to add 1 centimeter to each side because it has to be able to cover. We're looking at the thickness of the straw board. We are taking it into consideration, and they're also taking into consideration the kind of material we're using to cover the box. If you have a thicker box, you could look at 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter extra. So for this width, it's going to be 7 centimeters, and here is also going to be 7 centimeters. Now we take another sheet of paper to see how it opens up, and it will guide us in how we're going to cut it onto the straw board.